Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to read a new chapter in English literature, that is your chapter 5, The Song of the Engine. Children, this poem is written by Christine Weatherly. Okay, the poetess Christine Weatherly, she has written this poem, The Song of the Engine. In this poem, we are going to read about a railway engine. This poem is a wonderful motivating poem. In this poem, the poetess, she personifies an engine of train as a human. That means she shows an engine of a train as a human in this poem. So let's begin our poem and enjoy the poem. Let's start. When you travel on the railway and the lines goes up a hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with the wheel. Though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song. I think I can, and so it goes along. But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song, I thought I could, and so it speeds along. So children, in this poem, the poet, she personifies, she shows the engine of the train as a human and what it feels when he moves up to a hill and when he goes down from the hill. She is showing in this poem. She is telling in this poem. So here in this poem, the train as a human is afraid to climb on the hill. As human, they are afraid of climbing up the hill. Likewise, the train is also afraid of climbing up the hill. But he determined and he goes up to the hill. And after going there, he was thinking that I think I can. So when he was going up to the hill, he was thinking that I think I can. And after reaching up the hill, when it comes down, when the train comes down, after reaching up the hill, when the train comes down, it sings that I thought I could. So after coming down from the hill, when it comes down from the hill, it sings that I thought I could. So here the poet, she tries to tell, or she wants to say that human just frightened to do big things in their life. Okay, human beings, they are frightened of doing big things in their life because they are afraid to fail. Because they are afraid of failing. They don't want to fail. They always need success in their life. That's why they don't do big things in their life. And once they achieve their goals successfully, they say that I knew I could. So once they achieve their goals successfully, they tell that I knew I could do and I could do that. So the moral of the poem is that we should not be afraid to fail. We should not be afraid of doing big things in our life. We should do big things in our life and we should keep going and we should keep trying always so that we can achieve success in our life successfully. So children, what you have to do? You have to read this poem. You have to write this poem in your literature copy. You have to write the poem, the whole poem in your literature copy, and you have to write the meanings also in your literature copy in a good handwriting. Okay?